What's the time? Can you tell? With math you learn to do it well. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, math you rock. You can find math everywhere. Fractions teach you how to share. 1 big apple cut in 2. Half for me and half for you. Math, math, math. Exercise your brain with math, math, math. Helps in many ways. Counting up your money when you're buying milk and honey. Any change for you, math will show you what to do. Math, math, math. Exercise your brain with math, math, math. Helps in many ways. Adding or subtracting, divide and multiply. Math is a hero and I will show you why. Solve problems in your sleep, do shapes standing on your head. Measurement is fun, or count to 10 instead. Math, math, math. Exercise your brain with math, math, math. Helps in many ways.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿ ಮಿತ್ರರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಸಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಹಾಜರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಭಾಷಣ ಬೃಂದ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಗಣಿತ ದಿನವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ ಅವರು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 22, 1887ರಂದು ಭಾರತದ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿನ ಈರೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಗಣಿತಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ, ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ ಮತ್ತು ಅನಂತ ಸರಣಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಅಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಯಂ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಗಣಿತಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಜ್ಞರಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಅವರು ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಂತೆ ಗಣಿತದ ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಗಮನಾರ್ಹ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಸಾರ್ವಕಾಲಿಕ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಗಣಿತಜ್ಞರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರೆಂದು ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ ಅವರನ್ನು 1914ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಂಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಲು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ಗಣಿತಜ್ಞ GH ಹಾರ್ಡಿ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಅವರ ಕೈಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಕೇಂಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಥೀಟಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲ್ಪಡುವ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಗದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಂತೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು. ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ ಅವರ ಕೆಲಸವು ಗಣಿತದ ಮೇಲೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ಪ್ರಭಾವವನ್ನು ಬೀರಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹಲವಾರು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರಗಳಿಂದ ಗುರುತಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ ಅವರ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವಾದ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 22ರಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಗಣಿತ ದಿನವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು ಎಂದು 2012ರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಘೋಷಿಸಿತು. ರಾಮಾನುಜನ್ ಅವರು ಅತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಧನರಾದರು, ಆದರೆ ಅವರ ಕೆಲಸವು
Maths is very interesting. Maths is very exciting. I love maths. Maths is the best tool. Maths is the best. Maths is the best tool.
National Mathematics Day, the birth anniversary of great Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. So Ramanujan was a brilliant and genius who showed the world the power of mathematics through his dedication, hard work, and deep thinking. Even with limited resources, he made remarkable contributions that are still studied and respected worldwide. His life teaches us talent, determination, and passion can overcome any difficulties. Mathematics is not just the numbers or formulas. It will help us to develop the logical thinking, creativity, problem solving, and also the skills of development. It plays an important role in the science, technology, space, research, and also in everyday life. Dear students, let Ramanujan be the inspiration to you. Believe in yourself, practice regularly, and never be afraid of challenges. With curiosity and effort, you too can achieve great heights. I appreciate the efforts of our teachers and students who celebrated this celebration as a meaningful day. So let us remember Ramanujan message, mathematical is beautiful when we understand it. So happy National Mathematics Day to you all. So here I want to tell one thing. Being a maths teacher, last year also I said the same thing. Being a maths teacher, we feel that proud to be here because many mathematicians are there. So they struggle a lot for bringing the things. Like for example, as when we were at your age, nobody said what we are doing. Always have been thinking, why we have to use cos theta, why we have to study. You will also be wondering, okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication is okay. But why square? Why x plus y plus z whole square? Why you want that cube? Why you want all this sigma, what is that, delta, this pi, perimeter and all. So you will be having question in your mind when you are studying. So here I want to tell some of the things like addition you will do children, no? Addition how you do? So you will take one amount and another amount and you will add. That is nothing but a plus b. Okay, got it, no? So where it will help? Adding the money, counting total number of students, like whatever you do, no, you will count your number of students, right? Who will go for food or you will be sitting there counting. That is addition. And buying items in the shop, so that you have to count. So for that only the problem is like a plus b or x plus y, whatever you use. And same thing with the subtraction. So finding the balance money. For example, your father gives something amount and you will minus it. It's nothing but a minus b. What is that? So x minus y, like that. So you can calculate the mark loss. For example, you will get 50 marks will be there. So how much you have lost? If you minus, you will get the scored marks. So that is the losing of the marks. Whatever generally I am telling. So finding the quantity. Quantity means you will bring something to your house and you will be counting daily how much will be remaining. For example, chocolates, your birthdays. Okay, so you will be counting how much I have distributed, how much is remaining. So you want to go and eat now, right? So or you will give the sweets or something else. So all this and multiplication. When we come into across multiplication, I am talking about real life. What you are learning mathematics in real life, what you are using.
Ramanujan earned his BA and later PhD. His health declined in England likely due to tuberculosis and vitamin deficiency from a diet. He died in India at age 32.
Integrated most numerous everyday activities, basic math skills are fundamental for navigating the world effectively. Foundation for financial literacy. A student's grasp of maths is crucial for managing personal financial effectively. It provides us skills needed for budgeting, understanding loans and interest rates.
Sapamagata kita tadi midirana. Sapamagata kita tadi midirana. Sa tigakabari, tigari bisa tigakabari. Sapamagama gapagagari sanisa. Gari sanisa. Donde está mi ante? Say yeah yeah yeah.
उनकी प्रतिभा का लोहा माना करते थे। वे 16 वर्ष की अवस्था में 5000 सूत्रों और प्रेमियों को करते हुए देश नहीं विदेशों के विद्वानों को भी हतप्रभ कर दिया था। गणित को छोड़कर उनकी रुचि किसी अन्य विषय में नहीं था। गणित को छोड़कर अन्य सभी अनिवार्य विषयों में अनुत्तीर्ण हो जाते थे, जिसके कारण
How to do mass calculation using Abacus method in a
Oh, I think there is magic in this tool. Can you do that without this tool?
Okay, I will do.
Add 9. Add less 3. Add 64.
And answer is 70.
Yes, the answer is 70.
Add 5. Add 1. Add 40.
The answer is 46. The answer is 46.
Yes, the answer is 46.
How is this possible? Can you tell me what is uses of abacus?
Yes, the abacus is used in arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It is used as educational tool to build mental skills in mathematics and develop orally development in mathematics, and also used in areas where there is a lack of electricity. Thank you.
Today I am going to explain about some of Ramanujan's excellent inventions. So far we have gained knowledge about Ramanujan's life. Let us now learn about his contributions. Number theory. By this theory, he introduced concepts like Ramanujan prime and Ramanujan constant, infinite series and pi. He developed infinite series for calculating the value of pi. This is highly efficient for calculating pi. This invention
I am going to introduce about the great mathematicians of our country, India. Can you guess who is this? Yes, absolutely correct. This is Shakuntala Devi. She was born in 1929 in Bengaluru, India. From the age of 3, she could multiply huge figures in just a second. Isn't it fascinating? She amazed everyone by solving two 13-digit numbers multiplication in just 28 seconds and made Guinness World Record. In 1977, she calculated the 23rd root of 201-digit number faster than a UNIVAC computer. She was not only a mathematician but also an author who wrote many books.
Good afternoon, everyone. Do you guess who is this? Yes, absolutely right. This is Aryabhata. Can you also guess what he invented? Zero. Yes, absolutely right. He invented zero. Science and technology got tremendous progress during the Gupta period. Aryabhata of Pataliputra was a well-known mathematician of India of Gupta period. His work is Aryabhatiya. Aryabhata founded the reason for eclipse and also contributed to the field of algebra and trigonometry. And he contributed Earth's rotation. He achieved all these great heights when he was just 23 years. Can you guess who is this?
Brahmagupta.
Yes, correct. Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta was a famous Indian mathematician. He was born in 598 AD in Binmar, Rajasthan. He wrote a book titled Brahmaskruta Siddhanta. He explained the concept of zero. He solved square root quickly and worked on quadratic inventions. Brahmagupta studied astronomy.
Can you guess who is this?
Harishchandra.
Yes, it is correct. Harishchandra was in 1920 was a towering Indian American mathematician and physicist born in Kanpur, known for his foundational work in representation, particularly harmonic analysis of physical like transitioning from physics, and he was dead in 1983.
Yes, it's correct. Srinivas Ramanujan. He is the son of Kuppuswamy Srinivas Iyengar and Komala Muttamani. He was born on 22nd December 1882. In young age, he was keen interest in numbers and made remarkable discoveries. He contributed infinite series, number theory, properties of quotient function, etc. He neglected other subjects and focused on maths. The prize are given of name of Ramanujan is Shastra Ramanujan Prize are given under 32 age and ICTP IMU Prize given for developing nations. He was died on 26th April 1920. Can anyone guess who is this? Bhaskara. Yes, it is correct. He was born in 11 1114 AD in Karnataka, India. His father, Maheshwara, was also a mathematician and taught him many things. Bhaskara II wrote a famous book called Leelavati, which teaches maths using stories and puzzles. He also wrote Bijalagita and Siddhanta Shiromani. Bhaskara II made important contributions and mathematics and astronomy.